Most people in Ableton are still stacking notes by hand, and that's why their chords sound random and lifeless. The chord effect changes that. You play one note and it builds full harmony for you, adding up to 6 custom intervals anywhere from -36 to +36 semitones. Want a major chord? Set one shift to +4 and another to +7. Want minor? Use +3 and +7. You can even hit learn mode and just play a chord on your MIDI keyboard, and Ableton will capture it instantly. But this goes way beyond stacking. Add Strum to spread the notes out like a guitar, shape the timing with the tension knob, and use crescendo to make each note swell louder or softer. Chance introduces randomness, so some notes don't always trigger, while velocity lets you control how hard each note hits. With these controls, you get chords that breathe and feel like they're being played live, not just copied and pasted. If you're tired of hoping your stacked notes sound good, stop guessing and start shaping harmony with intent. Want to master the chord effect and other tools inside Ableton Live? Comment Ableton, and we'll DM you a link to our free Ableton Live tools and resources.